I teach physical education and mind and body health at the University of Southern California. So I teach basketball, volleyball, weight training, health coaching, first aid, CPR, AED, lots of different fun classes. Yeah, we were rear-ended at a high speed on the highway. We were driving to San Diego. We have a home in San Diego. We go every weekend. And it was after the first week of semester, and I was tired. And so I took a nap, and I was leaning, my seat was sitting back. And I just remember us coming to us, slow. So it kind of woke me. And my husband said, baby, hold on. I said a prayer, and then he swerved to try to avoid the car in front of us. And I said, great job, baby. And then all of a sudden, boom, and I screamed. We got thrown through the air, and then we hit again the median. We thought we were going to die. As soon as my feet hit the ground, I noticed, lower back, I thought it was, but hip pain. After about a week, I started noticing it starting hurting, and then it progressively got worse, like daily.
So as someone who has always relied on physical performance, what was the most concerning thing to you?
Will I ever be, strong again? Will I ever run again? Jump. I've been an athlete all my life, and my body's my tool for everything, teaching, working. And so I was scared. Again, being younger, I am 48, I was concerned about having to have surgery again later in my life. And am I going to be able to resume, working out, lifting? And Dr. Kabaei's like, yeah, you can leg press in 4 weeks. I'm like, amazing. Where I did get another consultation, and another doctor said, you wouldn't be able to squat for 2 months. You wouldn't be lifting weights for 2 months. And it was just this old school mentality where Dr. Kabaei is really forward thinking. And again, I loved his holistic approach of using PRP prior to having surgery. I asked my husband if I needed another consultation. He said, no, Dr. Kabaei's your man. And he had never met him. So just from my speaking of him and sharing what and how I felt with him and how confident I felt and the care he gave me his, personal number if I needed something. And he really does truly care about his patients. My hip feels amazing now compared to before. I don't have pain, and it's amazing. I wish I would have done it sooner. He's my 7th surgery in my life, and he's been the best physician that I've ever had. I'm so grateful to have met him and to have this experience with him. I highly recommend Dr. Kabaei to everyone. He's amazing. Like I said, he truly cares about each and every patient that he works with, and he has their best interest at heart and truly cares about his patients. And I, again, can't thank him enough. I'm looking forward to my other surgery.